Hey everyone, so I got sent this adorable Hello Kitty and Friends 12 Days of Jewelry set. Look, you can hang it on your tree if you want. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open these together. A bracelet chain. Yeah, I should say spoiler alert. Super cute. And these are pretty durable. You know, it's not, you really have to try to get these out. Oh my gosh, look at those. Oh my God, those are cute. Look at the little heart, Hello Kitty. All right, number 3. Cute. I know they have, yep, Kuromi, and I think there's a cinema roll one in here too, they said, but we're just gonna keep on punching them out and finding out. Let's see here. Here's 4. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's a little charm. You can hook it on whatever. Oh, that's adorable. Here's 5. Aha, cute. Look at those earrings. Cinema roll earrings. Those are adorable. Then we've got a necklace chain that you can put the charm on. Another charm. Kuromi again, so cute. What's number 8? I'm going out of order. Look at those Hello Kitty earrings. Adorable. Cute. More earrings. Oh, cute. Cinema roll earrings. A charm that matches all of that. I love it. And the last one, oh, cute. Look at the charm. So you can see these are super cute. You can, if you want to, open the box also. I just wanted to show you bit by bit what we were getting here. But yeah, you can also gift it like that, see it like that, and then they each pop out individually. Super cute, tons of different ways to wear it. This is going to be a great gift for the holidays or really any time of year. But as you can see, it's kind of decked out for the holidays here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for sending me this Hello Kitty and Friends 12 Days of Jewelry set. It's absolutely adorable and I would definitely recommend it.